constituency ने incident करना.
This is highly condemnable what has happened. And म्हाक दिसता कोण deliberately कोत्ता लोकांक फुलोवपा आनी लोकांक एकमेका दुसऱ्यांची कॉन्ट्र करपा. We are Goans and we will not tolerate this kind of nonsense. We all respect Shivaji. As a child, I have known Shivaji. We have studied about Shivaji, and therefore we have very high respect. And I don't think anybody, even if it was a freedom fighter or any other person, should be given such kind of disrespect which has been done. But I appeal to everyone to maintain calm. कित्याक नाजाल्यार तेगे plan आसा तो complete जातलो. So carefully we must handle the situation. We must find out who's behind this. I'm getting a bit worried that this can be the beginning of many more to come. So we have to be careful. Nip this in the bud. Kono zalyar, they should fix it. I would request everyone who in Gaile Zalia statues, please try to see whether we can get the panchayats to install CCTV cameras so that we can identify kon yeta ani kon hoita, and also then the mask gatle nale helmet gatle my koshna. So at least we will have to be able to monitor the area around, and I think then we'll be able to zero down on who all the culprits who are involved in this.
शिवाजी महाराजांचे खूप प्रभाव झाला इथून तरी कोण थेट निर्माण करण्याचे प्रयत्न करतात.
So there are two views. One is because I love someone or I love or I respect someone, how etlo fude korpa. The other thing is tingai tode guskotat problem korpa. Any situation. So third party bore peaceful morcha kotat kon fator odoita. Kon guspok bitor fator odopa. So sometimes whether it is mischief or not mischief, sometimes you must find out. But I can't make an accusation that mistake and we have come forward to demand justice should not be taken negatively. I think we all look forward to ensuring that there is peace and harmony, and konache arop dalu vena ata without finding out really who is responsible.
So that's why we are here. We will talk to the local people, but we need government support and of course the police protective support. That we are in talks with the IDC that if they can provide us a small place where we can put a girder and then we can respectfully install Shivaji Maharaj.
Only one request I have. Take a nice block. In the sense that then you have a function, you can have place. Then a solid roster and block jata. Understanding? This is my thing. Even when building a temple, chapel, church, I always say have a nice plot where people can come, park their vehicles, can go there. Understand? Because normally when your function will be there, how you will have the statue, a small plot and everything on the road.
Very good suggestion, sir. But temporarily, what we are doing now is we installing the reinstalling over there. But we want your guarantee to take next 6 months. You give us a place wherein we can install the
I'm
new
not
system.
in IDC, but I will request.
No,
that
we,
you
no,
can.
no,
you can
our
always-
only,
you can
our only aim is to
letter.
inform you because you are the local,
You are
surrounding
local
MLA.
MLA and you can
I
give
know
us a
that
letter.
we know that you are not in government, but our duty is to inform you.
We'll search a letter given.
Keep you informed. And we will also approach the right authorities, IDC, whoever it is, whoever is in charge of IDC, whoever is the chairman. But we also want to keep you informed.
I will tell you one thing. I give a suggestion loud and clear. In open space of IDC, we can install. If an open space can be for park, garden, you can put a statue.
Let me tell you, it's not going to be a big statue because our big function is always going to be in Mapsa. Okay?
The
So,
size of the statue doesn't matter. The question is the space for people to be able to be there and have a function. Understand?
we'll take that
Because
precaution.
you can have a respectful function and have a good crowd.
Sure. We'll do that.
And I will also contribute, not the public consumption, but